Siren Sky Cosplay on Instagram. That's who today's Apprentice clip is coming from. She had made these awesome pauldrons for her D&D character and wanted to add a raised leaf detail onto them to give it a really awesome look. But she didn't know what materials to use, and she was afraid that if she used something like hot glue and messed up, or the wrong material and messed it up, that it would ruin her pauldrons and she'd have to start from scratch. So stay tuned to find out what she ended up doing to make this work and why I'm wearing a pink apron. All right, Apprentice Squad, so how did Siren Sky Cosplay solve her problem that she had? Number one, she decided to try and use FOMO. So instead of trying to use the hot glue with the potential that it could mess up everything, she decided to go with FOMO, but she didn't want to have to sit there and roll out and shape and tend to and smooth out all the different raised bits that she was doing. So she came up with a brilliant idea.
Foam icing.
So that's why I have my my wife's pink apron on. Borrowed it from her for this because we're telling you how to make FOMO icing, right? A little bit of baking. So what she did essentially is she used water, FOMO, mixed it together in a Ziploc bag until it became the consistency of icing, cut a little hole in the corner, and then just piped on those raised details all along her raised leaf veins on her pauldrons. And it turned out amazing. She totally nailed the look she was going for and inspired me, and hopefully we can now inspire others with this amazing idea and this handy little technique. And it got me thinking, and I actually bought an actual piping bag with a bunch of these nozzles and did a bunch of playing around with this technique myself and found out that you can make cool rosettes, you can do little rope detail looking things, a bunch of different stuff that you can do with icing just now with FOMO on your cosplays. So what a cool trick, right? Hopefully you're having some ideas going of what you might be able to create with this. Let me know in the comments below if you have an idea of, oh, I could do this technique or I could do this to create this look with the FOMO icing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. Like, subscribe, and cosplay on, my friends. See ya.